Today I'm at my terrace garden. I just came to visit and see if I can get any harvest here. So this is the rich gourd tree which is growing well. There are around 30 or 40 rich gourd, small ones like this. And yeah, I've got some spinach, some basil, some methi, and amaranthus. So this is it. So this is a jam tree, which is guava tree, which is having some flowers coming up. There are guavas going to come up, and this chiku tree has many chikus, so we're waiting eagerly for them to come. This is a pomegranate tree. You can see the pomegranates are here. So this is one. This is a huge one, large one, and there are two more here. This is a mango tree, and this is custard apple, and this is the mulberry tree. You can see the mulberries here. There are many mulberries, but yeah, we've tied it up. I don't know how it will grow faster. We are waiting for it to grow faster. And this is a tamarind tree, and this is again a guava plant and a pomegranate tree, and that is a lemon tree. So there's some construction going on here. So this is we are building a staircase here for it to go upstairs and have more plants there. And so this is a small room which we are building here. So this is the whole terrace garden, look. And this is a small sit out which we are having here. And this is a room there. There's going to be a room there inside. So the other side of the terrace garden, we have a small bit of space here. So we planted some coriander. And this is a Barbados cherry, but yeah, it hasn't yet started fruiting, and we are not sure if it is how long it will take for it to fruit. And this is some coriander again and some chili plants. And this is a star fruit plant, but yeah, last time there were a few star fruits, but now there are not many. There are nothing here. So we will see if this is going to grow, or maybe we can remove the plant and plant something else. So this is one part of it, another small part of the terrace garden. So once we build the whole thing, then maybe we can. So that is the major part. That part all will be filling up with pots, and even the top part here, that roof part, will be having some plants. So this is a modest terrace garden which we are building. So once we move in, it will be more easier for us to grow this garden. So the scaffolding is still there, so because the elevation is not yet done. So this is it, guys. We still have to do a lot of work on the garden. So waiting for us to grow more plants and have more fruits and vegetables and even flower. Maybe I was thinking of putting some flower plants here, some decorative plants, maybe some flowers. So if these doesn't grow, the star fruit and the cherry plant, we'll remove them and plant some flowering plants here. So hopefully we'll do that soon. Part of the terrace garden which we are having. So a small but modest one. So we are still waiting for us to move here, and then maybe we'll be having more, we can have more plants here in this space, in this open space. So this is a sit out. So this is a modest terrace garden, a tiny one, but yeah, something which we are happy about and which gives us immense joy, and seeing life grow and grow more produce and grow what you eat. So we are eagerly waiting to set up the whole thing again. Yeah, so this is it. Thank you for watching my small video.